How to rotate smart view screen 90-degree on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, you will see second option is connected devices. So click on connected devices. Now here, so scroll down and click on smart view. So after click on smart view, click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, you will see click on settings. Now in settings, you will see click on labels. So after click on smart view labels, so you will see rotate 90 degrees here. So if you want to rotate smart view screen 90 degrees, so click on rotates 90 degree and you will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can rotate smart view screen 90 degree on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.